Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 68 plate, Toyota Yaris Automatic. This is the 1.5 petrol with an automatic gearbox, M5 doors, finished in chili red, and it's covered just 17,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this lovely looking Yaris Auto. February 2019 registered. Just 17,000 miles on the clock from two owners. Really good looking automatic 5-door hatchback. We love the Yarises. We've got 3 at the moment, so choice for everybody. 17,000 miles, excellent service history, 6 recorded right the way through its life. Every year. We've got these 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in really good shape. And just a very well maintained low mileage example. £190 a year to tax, over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Toyota. Nice low insurance group as well, so it ticks an awful lot of boxes if you're in the market for a mid-sized 5-door petrol hatchback. Very sensible running costs. Obviously you get the Toyota reliability that comes with it. Timing chain engine, so no cam belt to worry about. And I think it looks a cracking bit of kit in this chili red. Icon Tech specification, which is a really nice level of trim. As we take a look inside, condition of the car is absolutely excellent throughout. Really is a very nice example. All the seats are in superb condition. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good condition. You've got front electric windows, you've got cup holders, you've got electronically adjustable door mirrors, you've got lane assist, it's got its original Yaris carpet mats. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel again in really good condition. You've got controls for your cruise control and a speed limiter. You've got your radio controls and trip computer. 17,800 miles. Tyre pressure lights on, obviously we'll sort that when we put it through the workshop. It is going to have some new tyres at the point of sale, so that'll be done then. There's your auto gearbox. Couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, USB. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut keys in there as well. And then a really nice straightforward setup where the infotainment goes, so you've got your air conditioning. Now this does have the added option of front and rear parking sensors as well, which was an added extra when the car was new, so that's an add-on, which is nice. Satellite navigation built in, got Bluetooth for your telephone and your music, you've got DAB digital radio, and if I put the car into reverse, nice big reversing camera at the back as well. So really well appointed for a car of this nature. And you will notice on these Yarises that they're slightly higher up off the ground in terms of the seating position compared with perhaps a Polo or that sort of thing, so it does help with access and good visibility, quite a boxy shape. Into the rear, 3 seat belts, 3 proper headrests, ISOFIX for the child seats. Again, it's got its carpet mats and just in lovely, lovely condition. Then round to the back of the car, into the boot space. Very adequate. You've got split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then you've got this really good sized boot space. It's got a Yaris protector as well, which obviously keeps the carpet clean underneath, and underneath you do also get luxury these days. They get your home spare wheel. So there we have it. February 2019 Toyota Yaris Automatic, 17,000 miles from 2 owners with a full service history. Really nice looking car. Front and rear parking sensors, sat nav, cruise control, the good bits. Finance is available from less than £240 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We're going to be replacing all 4 tyres on the car as well, along with 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really popular, very low mileage automatic, nice specification. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.